submit your first surgical guide case to Rowe, I'm going to give you all of the record details we need when it comes to fabricating your tooth-supported guide. The first thing we're going to need is a set of either intraoral scans or PVS impressions, you name it, upper, lower, as well as a bite and a CBCT. From there, you can go ahead and include an RX. And as far as uploading the case, you can submit this case directly on our website inside the Working with Rowe portal. You can create a login if you don't already have one. You can upload your zipped DICOM folder in there and then go ahead and include details about the case as far as the sites, if you'd like a live meeting, if you'd like to just review the plan on your own, and then go ahead and submit your intraoral scans to us as well. From there, our guided surgery team will intake the case and contact you when it's ready for a go-to meeting. If you have any questions regarding submitting your first tooth-supported surgical guide, please feel free to give our team at the lab a call. We're happy to walk you through exactly what we need and the steps following submitting your first case. If you'd like to tune in to more videos when it comes to Rowe's surgical guide, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube page and our social media platforms. Thank you so much, and we look forward to guiding your first case with you.